guys, Jess here. I'm back and today we are doing a product review. Monvict reached out to me and they are a seller of various hot glue guns, some fine tip hot glue guns, and they said, you know, hey, we want to send you one, and if you would give it a whirl and a review and share it with your folks and let them know what you think. So here I am. You and I are going to do an unboxing together and we're going to see how this works. So you can get these on Amazon. If it's something you're interested in, there will be a link below so you can check it out. But this is my first time giving this glue gun a whirl, and so we're going to do this together. I'm really excited about this glue gun because it has a stand. And mine currently does not, and I don't know about you guys, but I am always it's always falling over or knocking down. And I also don't have like a tray for the glue to fall into when it's heating up. So, and I see here that this one has like a built-in like catcher, so I'm really excited about that too. So let's go ahead and open it up. And so you get your instructions. There again is the model, an S808. That's what it looks like there. And we got a few different parts, and they provided some glue, which is very exciting. All right, so here is the stand. It's a pretty heavy-duty plastic. Oh, and it has some suction cup feet, which is really nice because this isn't going to move. You can stick it down to your surface and you're good to go. You don't have to worry about it falling over. That's pretty exciting. And then you have this rubber catcher that's, I'm assuming, that catches the hot glue as it falls. It's removable so you can wash it. So that's really nice. So far so good. And this must be the little stand piece that clicks into here. Easy assembly so far. And then here is the glue gun itself. So it's nice, it's lightweight. It's got a great tip on it. Let's see. Very precise tip, it looks like. It's nice to hold. The switch is right here on the side. It's not cordless, as you can see, there is a cord. Yeah. It feels pretty good in the hand. I like the trigger, nice and big. So we're gonna plug this in and we're gonna see how it goes. And they gave me some glue as well to try it out. So we're gonna let this warm up and we're gonna make some DIY embellishments and see how it goes. All right, so I have the glue gun popped in, so it's warm, it's turned on, it's plugged in, and I also attached the base to my mat. You guys, this is not this is not coming off. This is not moving. I can lift my entire mat up with this base. The suction is really great. So I appreciate that because the glue gun's not gonna fall, it's not gonna go anywhere, you're not gonna get hot glue everywhere. So I'm pretty excited about that functionality. I love that it's not only is there a base that go with this glue gun, but it suctions to your tabletop so it's not going anywhere. So that's really nice. You can remove it obviously with a little bit of lifting up the suction feet. There we go. So I'm actually going to move it over a little bit and we're going to attach it right to my desk instead of the mat. And again, I just moved it and I stuck it down and it's not going anywhere. I'm wiggling my whole table. You can probably see the camera moving, but yeah, this glue gun is not going anywhere. So that's a really great feature. So they've provided me also, in addition to the glue gun, some various glue sticks. I can honestly say I don't think I've ever used glitter glue sticks, but we're gonna just start with some normal glue. And we are going to create a DIY embellishment. So I'm going to get the glue in here and continue to let that warm up. And it's been about a minute or so plugged in and it's just starting to warm up. So while we're waiting on that, we are going to go ahead and build an embellishment. So I'm going to make a doily embellishment. Do I have more than one in here? Okay. And I love making these. I think they're simple, they're pretty, and they're a nice size. they don't, a lot of DIY embellishments, I'm trying to figure out how to say this, are kind of small, or you use tags or whatnot, and which they can be decent size. Anyways, the doily allows you a nice base to build your embellishment on, so that's why I really like making them, because I have a lot of room to work and build my embellishment. So I'm just gonna put a little tape here to help it stay closed. And then we're gonna figure out how to build this embellishment. So I am using some various bits and pieces from the, I think, Sunny Days collection. So we have this, I kind of wanted to use this girl and maybe this flower, because I don't typically use acetate. It's not really my favorite embellishment, but that's one of the reasons why I love making DIY embellishments, is because it's a great way to use up maybe those bits and pieces that you wouldn't normally gravitate towards in your regular scrapping. So look, we have like all of these acetate pieces that we can play with. But I gotta find a good base here. So let's see what we're gonna use. So I'm thinking about, well, that's kind of fun. Move that flower over. Might have too much acetate going on here now. That's kind of pretty. Oh, you know, we can, oh, well, we can do it sideways too. That covers up a lot. Let's keep looking. What else we got in here? Oh, here we go, vacay vibes. We've got our young woman here. She definitely looks like she's on vacation, right? Oh, we can even put her in front. Ooh, I kind of like that. Sunshine on my mind. Oh, we've got a beautiful flower. Maybe we can tuck that in here somewhere. And I'm thinking we need some sort of card or ticket. We have a couple of these. Could add in some of that teal. So this is kind of cute. Then I can go in and grab some like enamel dots and what have you. And you do have a little bit of the doily sticking out here. Oh, I did grab some pom-poms, but I don't think I'm going to use them. Let's go. I like that. I think that's super cute. And we can get some enamel dots as well to kind of fit in to that whole vacation vibe thing. And so what I want to do is I want to test out this glue gun to see how it works. So I just did a little, I gotta lift up the base here so you guys can see it. I just did a little squirt of glue. So I'm gonna give you guys. It's very smooth. Very, very smooth. All right. And it heated up relatively quickly. I actually don't know when it was heated up because I was too busy building this, but it seemed to heat up pretty quickly. And like I said, it's really easy to hold. It's very lightweight, very precise tip. And the glue isn't too stringy. I know with my other glue gun, I felt like the glue got really stringy. It may be the type of glue too. Not sure. All right, we're gonna do some tape here. We're gonna stick these together, and then we're gonna do some more glue. So the glue gun does fit quite snug in that holder, so it is a really good thing that it has those suction cup feet. So if you're not able to use the suction cup feet for whatever reason, you'll have a little bit of a tough time getting the glue gun out. It's secure, that's for sure. All right, we're gonna do the let's go. Do another little dabble of glue here. I really like it. So I wanted to kind of bump this up, give it a little dimension. So let's use some foam. I'm just gonna stick it directly on the doily. Just kind of center this. How cute is this? All right, so we do have some acetate, but I think we can get away with some small pop-up dots here on my little vacation girl. Hopefully it won't be too distracting. And I'm going to add a little glue to both of these. Just make sure it sticks. And there she is. How cute is that, right? Let's get a couple little enamel dots, I think, or some pink hearts, and I think we'll call it a cute little embellishment. Keep going with the pink theme here. And a couple little puffy hearts. Love it. All right, we have a DIY embellishment. And that glue is holding good. We're gonna do another little test here, but isn't that cute? So adorable. All right, let's use this doily as a test. I've got plenty of them. So I'm gonna fold this again and let's just see. I really just love the application. It's not stringy at all. It just comes out so nicely. The trigger is very smooth. And then we're just gonna smooth that hot glue out. And I have just a little drip coming off the tip of the hot glue gun. Again, compared to my old glue gun, it's nothing. Like, this really doesn't drip at all. Let me show you guys. Like, that's all I've got. If you can see, hopefully you can. Just a very little bit, and it's not going anywhere. My other one would just, when I would sit on the table, the glue would just drop out of it. It would just run out of it. So that's a nice change. All right, so we've got the glue. there you go. It holds really well. I just wanted to give it a trial run. So, hey, it's a great glue gun. It works well. I love the precision tip. I love how it feels in my hand. I have smaller hands and this is the perfect size. It's very lightweight. And honestly, the big win here is this dock, is this stand that catches all the glue. It holds it. It's not falling. Like I don't have to fight with it. How fantastic is this? This is a really great glue gun. So if you're in the market for a glue gun, you've seen it here. We've tried this out and I give it 2 thumbs up. This is a fantastic glue gun. Again, it's called the Monvict and it is the S808 model and you can get it on Amazon and I will put the link below. Thank you so much, Monvict, for reaching out to me. I appreciate the opportunity to giving this a test run. I look forward to using it a lot more in my DIY embellishment creations. And yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Maybe you'll create a cute little embellishment as well, little doily embellishment. Make sure you share if you do. And I will talk to you guys again soon. Have a great night. Bye.